What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing a technical analysis on BIOL stock. For those of you who don't know what BIOL is, let me clarify a little bit. Biolase is a medical device company which engages in development, manufacturing, marketing and sale of laser systems in dentistry and medicine. It operates through Waterlase systems and Diode systems products. The Waterlase systems uses a patented combination of water and laser energy to perform procedures using drills, scalpels, and other traditional dental instruments for cutting soft and hard tissue. The Diode systems perform soft tissue, pain therapy, and cosmetic procedures, including teeth whitening. So it is a medical device company, and it produces some good stuff for dentists. And on their site, on a section of upcoming events, we have a special meeting of stockholders that will take place on January the 22nd, 2021 at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it will be in less than 24 hours, and it will take place on Foothill Ranch, California. Well, let's see what do we have on our charts. On a weekly chart, we have a huge spike of more than almost 400% during the last several weeks, and we have overbought RSI on an overbought territory. This means that it has to go down, but I think we have some time for another push up. Well, on daily chart, we can see the double top on RSI here, and on the price action we have higher high. This means that this low of RSI indicates that we've already unloaded this. On top of that, we have support in here, and this support indicates that we can go higher on our price in this point. So let me break down this for you. I think we have something like this, and the fifth wave is somewhere here. And let's look here in details. Okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. We don't need this anymore. And oh, it's interesting. It's very interesting. What do we have here? So basically, first of all, we have a huge support at this region. Here's the huge support on $0.8. Let me see how deep the retracement was. Well, it's slightly deeper. It's in between of 0.5 and 0.618 region. It's very healthy retracement, and we can rely on this pivot. In this case, let me introduce another tool. It is a pitchfork. This pitchfork uses the previous major pivots, the major lower pivot, major higher pivot, and our previous pivot on the retracement zone. And the rule is like this: as long as this pivot holds, we have 80% probability to hit the median. The median, it is this dark red line, and this means we have 80% probability to hit this line. On top of that, let me show you one more thing. Here is the clear channel for this asset. Look how thoroughly price movement follows this channel. And It allows us to rely on this channel as long as we won't broke this downline. We have to go long, and this is our risk to reward ratio. This is our basically our setup. So you can accumulate at this point. We don't have what kind of news will be at this meeting. It can be something good or something bad. This means price can go either to the upside or downside. As long as it goes down until this point, wait a second. As long as this line holds all the price movement, we can go long. We can put our stop loss before the previous low or another step here, and it will be 10% of losses, but you can do it in the middle, somewhere in the middle. You might ask me why this is a false breakout. Because you can this is a false breakout because of this. Let me show you. We don't have higher volume to prove that it was a good price movement. Here we have huge spike on movement. Here we have huge spike of movement, but this volume, it's not enough to go lower. That means that it is a bear trap, because when price goes down and bears try to push it down, load their short position, but bulls push the price all the back up, and we hit the median line of this channel. So in my opinion, you can go long at this point, and let me show you the target. Here's our fib extension tool, and we can hit 0.786 from the third wave to the fifth wave to the upside. On top of that, we can rely on pitchfork. So here we have clear confluence zone at this point around $1.61, and this allows us to have a setup of risk to reward ratio 6.21 to 1 with the potential profit of 45, almost 46%, and potential loss of 7.34%. Well, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel. Always put your stop losses. Only in this case you can be consistently profitable in your trades. And hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I will do more research for you. See you next time. Bye.